Now let us see the second trick. So here also we have two conditions. Okay, the first condition is sum of the numbers in tens place is 10. The digit in units place is same in two numbers. Okay, so here if you can observe, it is reverse to trick 1. Okay, so the conditions given here are reverse to that of in trick 1. Okay, so here let us see an example. So here in units place, what are all the digits that are there? Okay, so here in units place it is 1 and here it is 1. Okay, both must be equal. Okay, both must be same. Okay, and when it comes to the digits in tens place, okay, so here in tens place it is 6 and it is 4. The sum must be equals to 10. Okay, so whereas in trick 1 it is reverse, right? So whatever the digit that is there in units place, if you add these two digits, the sum must be equals to 10. But here the sum of the digits in tens place must be equals to 10. Okay, it is in tens place. And whereas in units place, what are all the digits that are there, those must be same. Okay, so let us move on to the possible pairs from 1 to 100. So you can apply this trick for all these pairs. Okay, so here wherever you see the digits in units place are same. Okay, so it is 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5. Okay, 6 and 6, 7 and 7. And if you add the numbers in tens place, the sum must be 10. Okay, so 3 plus 7, 10. 3 plus 7, 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9, 5 plus 5. Okay, so if you add the digits in tens place, the sum must be 10 and the digits in units place must be the same. Okay, so these two conditions must be satisfied, then only you can apply this trick. Okay, so let us move on to how to solve this. Now let us see the trick 2. Okay, so here also we have two conditions. The first condition is sum of the numbers in tens place is 10. Okay, the basic difference between the trick 1 and trick 2 is, so here sum of the numbers in tens place is 10, but where in trick 1 sum of the numbers in units place is 10. Okay, so in trick 1 the sum of numbers in units place must be equals to 10 and the remaining numbers must be equal or same. Okay, and here it is opposite to that. Okay, so here the sum of the numbers which are in tens place must be 10 and the numbers which are present in units place must be equal. Okay, so the digit in units place is equal or same. Okay, so like that. So here we have examples. Okay, so here in units place the number is same, right? That is 1. Here also it is 1 and here also it is 1. Okay, but where in tens place, okay, it is 1 and it is 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, so that is our first condition, right? So sum of the numbers in tens place 1 and 9 must be equals to 10. Okay, that is fulfilled. And the second condition is the digit in units place is same. Okay, here it is 1, here also it is 1. Okay, like that. And here you can see in units place it is 3 in both the numbers and in tens place 2, 8. 2 plus 8 it is 10. Okay, like that. Okay, like that there are many number of pairs that are possible from 1 to 100. Okay, that I have already given, right? So now let us see how to solve them. Okay, so here also as usual, first you find the product of the digits which are in units place. Okay, so just draw two blanks. Okay, so now just multiply the digits in units place. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1, but you have to write it as 0, 1. Now what you do is you have to find the product of the digits in tens place. It is 1 into 9, 9. Okay, for that product you have to add the value of the number or the digit in units place. Okay, here in units place it is 1, right? So see, it is 1 into 9 plus the number in units place, that is 1 here. Okay, so 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, like this. Okay, let us solve another one. So 3 into 3, 9, 0, 9 you have to write, and you just have to find the product of the numbers or the digits in tens place. 2 into 8, 16. Okay, 2 into 8 plus, for this product you have to add the digit in units place, that is a common digit, right, for the two numbers, that is 3. Okay, 2 into 8, 16 plus 3, 19. 1, 9, 0, 9 is the product. Okay, so similarly 4 into 4 it is 16. 3 into 7, 21 plus 4, 25. Okay, so similarly you can solve this. 5 into 5, that is 25. 4 into 6, 24 plus 5, 29. And here it is 9 into 9, 81. 5 into 5, 25 plus 9, 34. Okay, so this is how simply you can find the product within 2 seconds itself. Okay, but remember, you have to make sure the two conditions are fulfilled. Okay, the two conditions are satisfied in both the tricks. In trick 1 and trick 2, the conditions are getting changed. Okay, actually they are getting reversed. Okay, so you just have to keep this in mind and before finding the product. Okay.